Choosing the right moving box sizes can make packing easier, safer, and far less stressful. Using the wrong boxes often leads to broken items, heavy lifting, and wasted space. Small boxes are best for heavy items like books, tools, canned goods, and small appliances. Keeping weight low helps prevent boxes from breaking and makes them easier to carry. Medium boxes work well for everyday household items such as kitchenware, toys, office supplies, and small decor. They offer a good balance between space and weight and are some of the most commonly used boxes during a move. Large boxes are ideal for lightweight but bulky items like bedding, pillows, towels, and clothing. Avoid overloading these boxes since they can quickly become too heavy. For fragile or specialty items, use dish packs, wardrobe boxes, or picture boxes. These are designed to protect breakables, hanging clothes, and artwork during transport. Using the right box for each item helps protect your belongings, speeds up loading and unloading, and makes unpacking much smoother. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit MoversCom, and also you can email us at contactus@movers.com or call us at 8663-431-243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.